It's really sad whenever I think about this, and it sort of doesn't really make me mad, but sort of just irritates me a little bit because I see people doing this every single time, and it has to stop. So, whenever I teach people how to lose weight specifically, it's very annoying to me, and I'm sure annoying to many other people when everyone makes excuses, especially if those excuses are very bad and not valid, if that makes sense. Now, I'm fully aware that a majority of people that are interested in losing weight aren't particularly a fan of my opinion when it comes to that, but I am super confident in what I say and what I encourage because it is the truth and will always be the truth, and nothing comes on top of what I am saying, especially and including other people that preach the same message. And that is a calorie deficit to help you lose weight. And that is it. There is nothing that anybody can say in the entire world that will prove that theory wrong. And if you think you can, I highly challenge you to do that, because if you think you can, you're just setting yourself up for failure 100%. So for people to come to me and tell me that what I'm saying is not true, and I don't mean to say this to offend anybody, not at all. Just think of this more of like a rant. To say that a calorie deficit doesn't work is really encouraging the idea of stupidity. And that is something that I am not a fan of. And really my message is I just want people to make smarter decisions, right? Because I've already gone through the mistakes that I know a lot of people end up going through. And that's sort of what I'm trying to help people, including you guys, whoever's watching, to avoid. But when you come to the position where you are a little bit closed-minded and sort of have an opinion of your own, specifically about weight loss, you are setting yourself up for failure. And that's something that I don't want for anyone. Again, at the end of the day, it is just everybody's own personal decision to take the advice or not. But even then, taking the opposite path never makes sense to me. And an example I like to give every time I talk about this specifically is, think about this. If you tell your friend that if they were to hover their hand, let's say over a candle, what's going to happen when you do that is it's going to burn. It's going to hurt. So the obvious thing to do and the only thing to do is to not hover your hand over that candle. And when you do that, guess what? You won't get burned and you won't get hurt. So when it comes to the weight loss equation, essentially what people are saying is, think about this. Even though I know that putting my hand over that candle is going to burn and is going to hurt, I still want to do it anyway. That right there, as I said earlier, is what you call stupidity. Now, going back to the weight loss equation, it's the same concept. It's not that hard to understand, guys. If I know that eating fast food all the time and every day frequently makes losing weight significantly more difficult, why would you continue to do it? And when you do, what you're saying is, even though I know that avoiding those things is better for me, I don't want to do it. That's what people are continuing to say, and it is not right. So, point being, I do not know why there are people that exist that think they know better than a calorie deficit. It just doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, just sort of a little side rant, since I got an email here and there talking about that specifically, and it just sort of irked at me, and I just wanted to sort of shut that idea down, because I don't like it when people willingly put themselves in a situation that makes their lives more difficult than it has to be. But again, no matter what I say, people will still continue to hate over and over again because it is something that they enjoy for whatever reason, and that's okay. But I know that there are some of you out there that are smarter than that and that actually believe in the calorie deficit message. And if you are one of those people, I'm proud of you. And if you're not, what are you doing wasting your time hating? But yeah, your weight loss journey, not mine. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, or if you didn't, still go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and with that said, I will see you guys in the next one.